God of creation, there at the start, before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonders of light. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born in the vapor of a breath. The planets form. If the stars were made to worship, so will I. I can see your heart in everything you made. Every burning star, signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so will I. God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, no syllable empty or void. Once you were spoken, nature and science follow the sound of your voice. And as you speak, 100 billion creatures catch your breath, evolving in pursuit of what you say. It all reveals your nature, so will I. I can see your heart in everything you say. Every painted sky, a canvas of your grace. If creation still obeys you, so will I. So will I. Made to worship, so will I. If the mountains bow in reverence, so will I. If the oceans roar your greatness, so will I. If everything exists to lift you high, so will I. If the wind goes where you send it, so will I. Cry out in silence, so will I. If the sum of all our praises still fall shy, oh, we'll sing again 100 billion times. God of salvation, you chased down my heart through all of my failure and pride. On a hill you created, the light of the world, abandoned in darkness to die. And as you speak, 100 billion failures disappear. Where you lost your life, so I could find it here. If you left the grave behind you, so will I. I can see your heart in everything you've done. Part designed in a work of art called love. If you gladly choose surrender, so will I. I can see your heart 8 billion different ways. Every precious one, a child you died to save. If you gave your life to love them, so will I. Like you would again 100 billion times. No measure could amount to your desire. You're the one who never leaves the one behind. You're the one who never leaves the one behind. You're the one who never leaves the one behind. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of So Will I by Hillsong. If you liked some of the chords that I was using in this cover, I've got you covered. There's a link to a tutorial to this arrangement down in the description below. Also down there, you'll find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some of the chords that I just used, plus a few more that you can start implementing into your own guitar playing to become an advanced guitarist. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.